Next form of a straight line is 2-point form. 2-point form. So this type of problem is we have to give 2 points and we have to find the equation of straight line. First of all, we have to take A is a point x1 and y1 and B is another point, that is x2 and y2. We have to calculate the equation of the straight line with given 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So we have to observe this one, we have to give 2 points, then the slope of the value is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is the 2-point form. We have to use this formula to calculate the straight line of giving 2 points. We have to see an example of this 2-point form. Here example is, we have to see A is a point, that is 0 and 1, and B is another point, that is 3 and minus 4. We have to find the equation of straight line. Okay. So here we have to use the form, the equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the formula. Here we have to take this one x1 and y1 and also given second point x2 and y2. Substitute these places values and we get the equation of straight line. So that is, here y is y1 means 1 is equal to, here y2 means minus 4 and y1 means 1 divided by x2 means 3 minus x1 means 0 and also x minus x1 means 0. This is the equation. We have to substitute these values and get finally answer y minus y is equal to, here minus 4 minus 1 means minus 5 divided by 3 into x. So these 3 come to this side, then multiply the value. So 3 into y minus 1 is equal to minus 5 into x. So multiply 3 in whole this number, 3y minus 3 is equal to minus 5x. So this minus 5x convert to this side, that is plus 5x. So 5x plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of straight line. Okay. Thank you for watching.